Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And welcome to the second installment of the Artsy Halloween decor haul video. So we're gonna literally just jump straight into this because I got a lot to talk about. We got a lot of stuff to talk about. So we're gonna start with Target. Target is honestly my MVP.
Yep, for sure.
Target has the cutest stuff. Also, they have Christmas coming out in my location, which is not okay. Yeah, other than that, they have really cute stuff. So I guess I'm going to start with the things that are just like right next to me. I have a bunch of pillows from Target. They have the cutest pillows. Look at this. It's a bat. It's a bat pillow. It's a bat pillow. And it's so adorable. It was $10. Couch pillows are ridiculously overpriced, in my opinion. Anyway, I found this one. Super adorable. Another one, and I feel like I've seen this like all over Instagram, all over like the Halloween decor hunting community, is this jack-o'-lantern pillow. It's fuzzy, soft, and squishy.
Fluffy.
And yeah, just it's such a cute pillow. Again, this was $10. I've also got this cat. Look at this cat.
He's a cutie.
He's so cute. Again, $10. Really, really adorable. And it's also fuzzy and soft. It's just, my couch is like adorable now. Just full of adorable little Halloween creatures. And then the last pillow is this one, and it says Happy Halloween. It's got a bunch of spooky stuff all around it. And this one was $15, but still better than $35. But yeah, this is like a classic throw pillow.
Yeah. For
your couch. Look how cute it is. The print is adorable. Speaking of comfies, like pillows and things, they also have blankets, and I think they're $10. So I got the skull one, and honestly, I also want the freaking jack-o'-lantern one. But do I need to? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But anyway, I got the skull one. It's pretty cute. Let's actually take this apart. I've been dying to do that.
Oh, the bow ties.
The bow ties are pretty cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay. I love it. Oh.
That's great. It looks so soft.
Let's just surround myself with this stuff right as I open it. Yeah, it's super soft. It's pretty adorable. I think I'm going to get the jack-o'-lantern one. Oh my god. I don't know why no one's talking about this thing. Maybe no one else cares about it? Maybe, I don't know, whatever. I love it. So it is basically this like lantern that's being held by a skeleton hand. And you've also got like a little skull right here. There's a light inside. And the light's honestly not super bright and it's pretty small, but pretty cute. The whole thing kind of has like a bone color to it. And I love it. So it can either like stand like this on a table. Like look how cool that looks. Or you can kind of like mount it to a wall like this. And it'll hang off the wall like this, which I think is how I'm going to display it.
Yeah.
Because I think this is so impressive looking. I love this so much. The skeleton hand holding it, the whole like style of it. Obsessed. So this was $20.
That's not bad.
Right? Well, I'm whipping it around. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you guys are these little pumpkins. And Target has these pumpkins for literally $3. They're so cute. So I got the white one that says trick or treat on it. And then we've also got this orange one that says Happy Halloween. And then there's a black one that has stars and moons on it. And I love them. I like love them together too, but you could just like display them separately. $3. We literally got these today. I have no control. So what I also got, because we're going to be doing like our dining room table, are these placemats. Look at them. Yes, they are just kind of like felt with cut out stars and moons, but so cute. So cute. Yeah. And I've kind of like simulated how it's going to look, and it just, it looks so cute. These were $2 each.
Wow.
They're adorable. So yeah, they're felt, but like they were also $2. So speaking of placemats and like the dining room table and what that's going to look like, I bought a bunch of plates. And they're little appetizer plates. They're by threshold. And they are. They're so cute. So I got 4 different ones. We got this black cat one with the orange background. We got this jack-o'-lantern with a crow on a white background. Skeleton hand on the black background. And then bats with a moon and a black background. Look at this! These are little freaking appetizer plates. They're just so cute. These plates are $3 each. All right, so what we also got, this is actually from their like dollar section. We found these, what do you call them? Like little, actually, let's see. Glass decor beaker.
Yeah.
That's what they're called. So we found this one, and it's kind of like black to clear and then orange to clear, and I love these. I think I'm going to take like a little cutting of one of my plants and put it in here, obviously with some water, and I feel like it'll look really cool over by the plant section. And then I was thinking for this one, we could get some like dried flowers maybe and put like a little dried bouquet in there. But anyway, I love these together too. Just like black and orange. Super cute for like the plant section. Oh my god, these were $1. Oh, really? By the way, these beaker things were $3. Yep, they were both $3. And then these are paper witch hats. And they like hang from, you know, like the ceiling or whatever. These were $1. Look how adorable these are. Aren't they cool? So I bought 2 different... I bought 2 packs. Guess I didn't need to buy 2, but I did. These were $1. I can't get over that.
Yeah, that's insane.
And they look so cute. So these would probably go like in the kitchen or something, like hang from the ceiling. I love these. So this is a paper chandelier. And I feel like maybe you're going to be like, why did you get that? But like if we were to get like a plastic thing or like something, it would just be heavier. And I thought that this was actually genius because we can just like pin this to the ceiling in our kitchen or something and it'll look like a spooky chandelier, but it's paper, so it's not going to be super heavy.
Yeah.
I love it. So this is what it's supposed to look like. It's got like a jack-o'-lantern in there. It's got like purple little like, you know, dewdrop looking things and like candle looking things. This was $10. But anyway, this is so cool. Paper chandelier. Pretty excited about it. So I also found this little set of like wooden, you know, like block style things that you could like put on your bookshelf, but they're like little coffins. So one says RIP, the other one is a jack-o'-lantern, and then there's just a like random little symbol on there. But I thought these were super cute. Look at them. These were $5 for the set.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Adorable. All right, we're done with Target. Surprisingly, amazingly, I can't believe it's over. We're gonna breeze through Walmart. So we got these plates. There's a jack-o'-lantern, and then there's this ghost. The ghost, like, cannot. He is so cute. Yeah. They're $1.98. I'm in love with them. But when we got them home, I looked at the back, and it says, not for food use, may poison food. I feel like I've never seen it say that before on any kind of dishware or whatever.
Yeah.
May poison food. Okay. I mean, they're going to be like a little dish for keys or something like that, like a ring dish or whatever. But next thing from Walmart is, and I feel like these are kind of everywhere. Like a bunch of different stores do these books. So it says curses, potions, and poisons. And I just thought that this one was really cool. It's got skull hands. I said it again. It's got skeleton hands on both sides. The writing is gold. I don't know. I just thought that this was really cute, and it's $4.98. Friggin' $5. Amazing. Super cute. Gonna put it on my bookshelf. Love it. Oh my god. This was so cute, and I'm honestly like still surprised by like the quality of it. Like it is really nice. So it's this little lantern, and they had a couple different styles, but I got the one that has ghosts on it. There's also some bats up top, and this was $4.97. Adorable. So I already have like a little fake tea light inside. But anyway, it's just like this little metal lantern. And the windows are actually glass.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I feel like this is super nice for $5. That's actually all I got from Walmart. So we're going to move on to Amazon. Yes, more Amazon. Yeah. So I found this set of spoons on Amazon, and they're like little like skull spoons, and they're black. They're like little black skull spoons. So cute. It's a set of 6, and it comes in this like little like felt, I don't know, booklet thing.
Yeah.
It's actually really cool, but yeah, so they're black spoons and they look like little skulls in the bottom. Obsessed.
Yeah.
Aren't these so cute? So these spoons were $13.79. Random price, but not too bad. Okay, so next thing is the set of 2 garlands. So the first one is like ghosts, bats, and jack-o'-lanterns. Oh! Look how cute it all is.
That is awesome. Isn't
it? The other one is black skeletons and white skeletons, and these are so cute too. Look at them! Look at how cute! This is like a set for both of them, and it was $12.95. Ooh, okay. This is really exciting. So behind our TV, we have this big tapestry. It's like, you know, cacti, and it's like a kind of a desert scene. And I wanted to replace that with a Halloween one. So, I mean, I would take it out, but it's kind of like really way too big to show you. So I'm going to show you a picture of what I'm talking about. And it's like this spooky tree with like a full moon in the background. It's really cool. Tapestry, and it's 59 by 78, and it was $16.99. So I feel like that's not bad.
No.
Ooh, the ghosties. Alright, so this was a pack of 3. I've already got one up, honestly, in my bathroom. So we have 2 here. But they're just like those classic ghosts. They're just, you know, they're kind of cheesy. They're kind of like, I don't know, cheapy and stuff. But I think that they're cute, and they kind of are nostalgic for me. Just like a sheet over like 2 pieces of foam as their arms. So you like bend their, you know, arms out, and then they look like a little ghost. So this is a pack of 3 ghosts for $14.95. All right, so the next thing is huge, and it's going to be hard to show you. So again, I'm just going to show you the picture. So these are like window curtains, but obviously you can see that they're not curtains. They're very sheer. But they have this like bat kind of like full moon sky, like spooky scene, spiderweb situation going on. This was actually a set of 2. And they were $13.99. Not bad. Okay, the next thing I got is like a vintage style, how do you call these? Jointed, like one of those jointed, you know, decorations for Halloween. So this is a freaky looking cat, and I love him. Look at that. Isn't that so cool?
It is.
I'm so excited to put this on the wall. I love it so much. Look at his face. It's so, like, vintagey looking. All right, so we're going to move on to BigLots. I only got 2 things there, but look at these jack-o'-lanterns. Are they not the cutest bunch of jack-o'-lanterns? I think they are anyway. They're so cute. So these were $12. That's amazing. So they light up. So there's like a little light inside, and I just thought that they were super cute. I love that they're like stacked on each other.
Yeah.
And they kind of have slightly different faces. I love them. And then the other thing that I got from BigLots was this cutie. Look at him. Is he not precious? It's a freaking like little Grim Reaper guy. He's so cute. He was $6. What? Look at that. Look at it. Little jack-o'-lantern lights up underneath him. Okay, the last store that we're going to talk about, right? The last store?
Pretty sure.
Okay, JoAnn's. So I got 2 things there because expensive, but I did get this guy. Look at him. He's got these little legs. So if you put him on a bookshelf, it looks like he's just sitting and he's just like, whatever. He's so cute with his little legs, just like, and his feet are like pointed.
Yeah.
I love him so much. He was $24.99, but so cute. Like really, really cool on the bookshelf, like with him sitting. All right, last thing. I had to have this when I saw it. Oh, I died. So this is a huge, and you're probably going to see yourselves. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. This is a huge crescent moon mirror, and this was $50 originally, but we got it for $30 because of the sale. Look at it!
It's amazing.
Oh, it's so great. You'll also be able to see the mess. There's Sean. We have this in like our entryway, and it looks so good. We also have some like bats around it. Highly recommend doing that. So amazing. All right, I'm kind of amazed at how fast we blasted through all that stuff because it's taken up a lot of space. But I'm super excited because now that I've told you guys about it, we can start decorating with it. It's all very exciting. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me literally everywhere. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death. And I'll see you in absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.